Well guys, we have a new video. I know it has nothing to do with trucking, but it always we do the repair part too, either home or vehicle. So we're gonna try the JB Weld repair for a bed that is broken. So let's see if it does the job or not, We got the black and red. And the reason I got this product, it has a lot of good reviews, 5 stars, and that's why I got it from Home Depot. So there we have it. We're gonna do the black one, just a small portion because it's not a big piece we need to work on. It's real small. So we're gonna go ahead and mix it, both of them, and mix it very well, half and half. Make sure they're the same portion for both, and we'll see what happens. So we're mixing it. Make sure it's kind of needs to be kind of grayish, dark grayish, sort of. And when you start seeing that kind of mixture, you'll be ready to start doing the repair. Now we have the clean surface. Remove any dirt or debris to ensure the area is ready to be repaired. Okay. Remove anything that's in your way if necessary. Apply along where the crack is. As you can see, I'm just being really careful. This is metal from the bed of my daughter, so let's apply everywhere. I did it on both sides because make sure it's really secure. Once you finish applying everything, both sides, it make sure it's really both tight, and let it sit there for, according to them, it should be about an hour, 4 or 5 hours. So let's see what it does. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Be safe.